Alright everybody, this is Royal Crossing Action 38, and there's a CSX train heading to Port of Wilmington. See if you can hear our boy going off. So, that right there, as you can see, I wonder exactly where we are here. That's right, we're back again here at the South Front Street crossing in Wilmington, North Carolina. And So yep, hear our boy coming. And this is going to be the first time this crossing is going to get activated with this brand new cantilever here that was just newly installed last weekend here. And the new bell, as you can see, which is an E-dinger. So, and this video is also going to be counted as, this is also my 1000th video on YouTube. So I would like to give everyone, you guys, thank you guys so much for all the support y'all did for me for all of my years here of loving elevators, trains, and fire alarms. So I would greatly appreciate you guys. So you guys are all amazing. So thank you guys for all the support y'all did to me, guys. So this is gonna be, I guess we'll count as like a special. But anyways, so yep, I can hear him. Yep, there goes the South 5th Street crossing activated. So now, that down there right there is the famous crossing right there, which is South 3rd Street right there, the famous crossing right there. But we are here gonna film this crossing here because this is gonna be the first time this crossing is activated here with the new bell. So yeah, once that crossing gets activated right there, that famous crossing there, we're gonna watch this crossing activating with the new bell here and the new cantilever activating. Yep, there it goes. So there goes the South 4th Street activating. So now, all right. Yep, there goes the South 3rd Street crossing right there. There he is. See, there he is. Alright. Let's go ahead and watch this crossing activating now. There goes the lightning right there. Let's watch this crossing activating. See if any gate runners will occur at this crossing. Good job, driver. Look at that. He did a good job, as you can see there. Look, that's a good driver right there. He stopped, as you can see, just right on time here. Let's get on this side right here so we can give the engineer the salute. Hopefully the engineer will see me, hopefully. Here he comes. So yep, so now CSX trains are not stopping at this cross, you can see here. what that is up there. There's literally a stick right there that's sticking out right there. It's 1183 or 93, I think. Hopefully no derailment will be happening here, hopefully. Here come the tankers. 1662. 1662. Here are the empty cars right there. Let me step back on this frame right here so you can see well enough for this crossing. There's 1824. I hope you guys can hear me well enough. For over the cars you can see us scraping all the noises because this train's going on the curb. This train's currently going on a curb section, so that's why this train, as you can see, is like scraping a lot louder, as you can see here. And yep, here's our boy stopping, as you can see here. Here's our boy, you can see stopping here. Yep, here's our boy stopping, as you can see here. Here comes some more tankers. I see there's 1203. It's 1230. Okay, I'm gonna need to hopefully talk over the music right now to avoid copyright. It's 1230. There's a lot of tankers you can see here coming here. Here's some more tankers here. Alright, I'm gonna have to talk and talk and talk. Alright, let me go ahead and get across here. Try to avoid this music going off here. Alright, talk and talk and talk, talk and talk and talk and talk. See up here he is stopping, as you can see here. He's making a stop here. Here he is making a stop here. Let me try maybe step back a frame though, so just to avoid that music going off. Alright, talk. Oh yep, here he is. Here's our boy stopping, as you can see here. We'll see how long our boy will be stopping here. Sorry guys, I'm gonna need to probably try to get out of the... There goes that first car right there making a U-turn, as you can see there. So, yep, there he is. Here's now our boy stop, as you can see here. Oh, yep. You can barely hear the crossing on South Thursday, the famous crossing down there, as you can see. You can hear the bells go off. So, yep. It's been a little while, it's been a long while here, as you can see. Yep. So yep, this crossing you can see has a new cantilever here, and it's back. You can see back to normal, as you can see here. So now CSX trains will no longer be stopping here and putting red flares. You can see here. It's now going back to like usual. So, all right. Hopefully, you can barely hear the crossing on South 3rd Street, the famous crossing there. It's activated. Excuse me. This guy's gonna make a U-turn, as you can see here. I'm gonna point the camera down because he doesn't want to be on YouTube if he doesn't want to. So yep, it's been a long while since I haven't filmed this crossing here. Last time I filmed this crossing was back from Railroad Crossing Action 5, which I caught a clip of the crossing on the crossing over there, and then I drove by to this crossing right here, which our boy did stop, as you can see here. So, all right. So yep. Here's everybody making U-turns, you can see here. This driver is definitely going to be the next one, I think. Alright. Try to talk. I'm going to try to step back in the frame a bit so that way I can avoid all that copyright going off. So there's the crossing down there, the famous crossing down there. So... Just look at that idiot right there. He's not even wanting to pull forward, as you can see here. It's probably because all the cars you can see here that's stopping here. Yep, there he is. Our boy moving, as you can see here. See, there he is. There he is, our boy moving. Let's see how long pack back up is. It's still like a long ways to go. Let's go ahead and get back on the other side of hopefully no copyright going off. So yep. Alright, good. No copyright here, so that's good. So I will say, guys, thank you guys so much for all the support, as you can see here. For all of my years of loving trains, or elevators, trains, and fire alarms. So this is a 1K video for YouTube, as you can see here. So thank you guys very much, guys. Yep, here's our boy moving, as you can see here. See, it's just got the standard e-dinger. Then like the new electrical bell on the one on the famous crossing. I thought this crossing was gonna have the same bell as like the famous crossing. This is a very long train, as you can see here. And it looks like I think he's going to stop again, I think, maybe. I don't know. Yep. Looks like our boy. Yeah, this train I could definitely tell is very. I can see a lot of cars. This is a very long train, as you can see here. Oh, here's our boy, as you can see, moving already. Alright. Okay, yep. Looks like he turned off this music already, so good. Alright, you get a little closer look at this brand new cantilever here. Alright, there he is. Here he is. Now is our boy moving. Oh, there's 1193, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and step back, though, just to watch the crossing gates go up. Yep, here he is. Here's our boy speeding up now. There's more empty cars there. Hopefully these cars will not derail, hopefully. I hope these cars do not derail here, hopefully. You can barely see backed up traffic, as you can see here. Miles of, well, I think it's like a mile of backed up traffic. And yet there's the end of it. And look at that, he made it. Look at that, he finally made it. Look at that, he finally made it. Alright, let's go and watch the crossing gates go up. That crossing gate right there, as you can see, is actually a lot faster than the crossing gate on the across from it. Alright, well anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video of a railroad crossing action with a brand new cantilever here at the South Front Street crossing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And that is going to be it. Stay tuned for the railroad crossing action very soon. So that will be it.